Hello, amazing people. Thank you guys for stopping by. In this particular video, I am going to show you how to ventilate a full lace that you can use to do any kind of braids, guys. When you follow the pattern I'm going to show you in this particular video, you can use it for any kind of braids. Can you imagine how natural this full lace is? Okay, I see how natural and how neat is. If you've not been following this series, please do so. Okay, watch how I started and how I got to this point. So this is actually the episode 3, the continuation of the last one I uploaded. I've already dropped a video on how I started at the back and how I got to this point. Now we are actually at the last section of a full lace, which is the front. So this is what you should do. You have to trace a slash line or a slanted line. Okay, the joint area. So guys, you have to trace a slash line from the joint area. Okay, see where I started. Trace a slash line. It runs down to where the hairline is. So when you trace that, start with a slash line. You can start anywhere, either the end, the edge, the center. So when you start with a slash line, you vent on a hole and you skip a hole, just the normal thing we were doing before now. Okay, you can start from where the joint area is, or you can start after the joint area, but you still have to trace it back to where the joint area is, because we need to also vent on that joint area. Okay, and please do ensure that the strands of hair you are picking is does not exceed 3 if you are working with blend or woman hair. But if you're working with attachment, please let it not exceed 2. And we are skipping just a hole. You can still decide to skip 2 holes, but to get that very natural full lace, you should skip 1 if you can. So this is what I mean by starting after the joint area. Okay, you can still start after the joint area, after which you still trace it backwards. I mean, you still have to vent on that joint area. This particular joint area, because of the way it is padded, like the laces are padded on top of another. So you don't need to dip your venting pin too deep. You just have to pick the top. Okay, just pick at the top and vent, because if you dip your pin inside too much, it might stuck inside, or you might find it difficult to pass your hair through the holes. I hope you guys understand. Okay, so I when I'm done with a slash line like that, I skip 1 slash line in between them, and I'll go ahead and vent on the next one. Remember, we are venting on a slash line, not vertical line. Okay, that doesn't mean you can't ventilate a full lace with a vertical line. You can as well do that, but the pattern we are making use of here demands we vent on a slanted line. Okay, so you can choose to start after the padded lace, which is the joint area, the place that is joining the center section with the front section, or you start after it, but note you still have to trace it back and vent the back side, because the joint areas still need to be ventilated, not leaving it like that, like without no hairs, and make sure it's matching with each other. Okay, so you follow me to this point and you know you've gotten 1 or 2 values from the video so far. Please do not forget to like the video. Okay, just tap and like the video, share the videos, guys, comment. If you have any question, do not forget to let me know in the comment section. Of course, I will answer all your questions. And please, in case if you're a beginner and you just come across this video, you don't know how to ventilate at all, I would advise you to watch my video on how to ventilate for beginners. I've already uploaded a video on that, so you can practice with that video. When you practice with that video, then because for you to do full lace or ventilate full lace, definitely you must know how to vent. So practice with my beginners friendly video on how to ventilate, okay, before you can jump to how to make your full lace. All right, then if you don't know how I got to this point, you want to see how I started the back, because I'm done with the back section, done with the center section. This is the last section, which is the front. Please watch episode 1 and episode 2 of this video, okay? Check down my check the last two videos I uploaded. That's number episode 1 and then episode 2 of this video. So this is more like a continuation of that, the ones I uploaded so far. And guys, remember that you are free to make your video requests. If there's anything you want me to make video on, whether how to ventilate, how to braid, how to do anything about hair, you are free to request them in the comment section. If you have any question or you got confused at any point, let me know in the comment section. And please make sure that the dart area, you only ventilate the dart area. See how I did mine. So just continue this way, going down till you get to where the hairline is. If your full lace doesn't have already marked hairline, okay, don't worry. On the last episode, which is the video, the one I'll be uploading after this one, the final episode, I'm going to show you guys what you should do and how you should vent the hairline. And if you don't have, if your full lace doesn't have already marked hairline, how you can achieve your own perfect hairline and how to ventilate it. Okay, that will be on the last video, which is the one that will be coming after this one, which will be the final episode for this full lace making. Then we'll move over to the next video, the next tutorial I have for you guys. So guys, please, if you watched to this point, you are yet to like this video, do well to help me to like the video, and please share to all those that have been sharing my videos, liking, commenting, distributing it. I really appreciate. Thank you guys so much. If you are yet to join this family, do well by liking my page and subscribing. Turn on notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to ask all your questions. I will attend to them. Okay, and once again, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.